Hello there everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's quick video, you are going to see how to add highlights on Instagram without adding to story. So let's get right into it. Head over to your Instagram application. Make sure you have logged in into your desired account and then just head over to your profile. From there, just go to the three lines icon. Then go to archive. From the archive, you can see the stories that you have previously posted, so you don't need to post a story right now. So select a story, suppose this one, and once you select this, you can see an option of highlight right here just beside the more option. So tap on highlight. Here, name the highlight. Tap on add. Go back, and yeah, this is it. You can see your highlight has been added without giving a story. So yeah, this is how you can do it. Hope this video helped you out, and we'll see you in the next one.